Thanks to all you ladies there. And hello to you, Karl Truman.
Good morning.
I called on the Colonel. A week from today, the nation will honor the men and women who have given their time, energy, and lives to protect our country. In Louisville, there will be several events to honor our servicemen and women, including a parade and bluegrass honor flights. Today, joined by Karl Truman, who sponsors both of these events, military man himself. And good buddy. Hey, I'm glad to have you on here again. Thank you for your service, first off,
welcome.
a week in advance. And let's talk about some of the events that are planned.
Well, my law firm is very proud to be one of the sponsors of the Veterans Day Parade next week. As you know, veterans issues are one of the things I'm very passionate about and like to be very involved in. And one of the activities that we're also going to be participating in is on Veterans Day from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. at Sam's Montrose on Lewis and Clark in Clarksville, Indiana. We're partnering with Extol Magazine to host a fundraiser for Bluegrass Honor Flight.
I know those ladies right there, too. They're great performers who sing songs from an era back in the day, and they're a great addition.
And they're going to be at the event.
Very good. So it'll be a nice entertainment feature, but again, another way to honor these heroes, these American heroes. That parade, is that last year's?
That's last year's Veterans Day Parade when I marched with my AMVETS group.
Very good. And let's talk about honor flights, too. These are so magnificent.
It is. It's a great organization that I'm involved in, and we've been on the show before with the Honor Flight talking about our mission to take World War II veterans to the World War II Memorial in Washington, D.C. And it's no cost to the veteran. It's all volunteer organization. We don't have any paid staff. We also, all the money goes to support these veterans. And so that's what this event is about next week, is to try to raise money to take these veterans. As we know, we're losing them quite a bit. And so as we lose more World War II veterans, we are including more Korean War and Vietnam War veterans.
Right. And taking them to D.C. to see this, and also when they return home, that medal winner there.
Yep. Woody Williams is the last surviving Medal of Honor recipient from Iwo Jima.
Wow. But these heroes go to D.C., they see the monuments, and then when they come home, it's kind of a special return.
It's a great time, yes. We have a good welcome home group for them, and it's a very emotional day for all of them.
And you, of course, we've talked about this over the course of the years as well, are there to help veterans in terms of trying to make sure they get the proper benefits.
Well, in addition to, of course, the main focus of my practice is automobile collisions and other types of injury claims, but one of the things that I do that I'm passionate about is helping veterans with their VA disability benefits, which can be a very cumbersome process, very time-consuming, very bureaucratic, and so to be able to help veterans get through that, for them to get the recognition that they deserve for their service and being injured or illness while they were on active duty.
Indeed, and oftentimes they may hear the word no or see it in written form come back in some sort of communication, and that doesn't necessarily mean it's the end of the line.
Well, as a personal injury attorney, it's one of the things that I look at is how to develop the medical evidence that they may not know, how to get the right doctor's reports and vocational reports, to be able to present the evidence to the VA and perhaps the appeals court to be able to get their benefits for them.
All right, Karl, always good to have you here, and thanks for your support of the parade and honor flights, which is magnificent. They can always use help, too. It's good to look those up online and see what you can do to help out.
Right.
Thanks again. Appreciate it. The Veterans Day Reception Fundraiser event he referred to will be at the Montrose in Clarksville. That's 318 West Lewis and Clark Parkway from 5:30 until 7:30. Admission is $25. All proceeds go to Bluegrass Honor Flight. And you can reach Karl Truman's law office online, trumanlaw.com, or call 502-222-2222.
Truman Talks Law on Great Day Live is sponsored by the Karl Truman Law Office.